Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be doing some running around. So I went to the store to get something. I went to get a shoe for my daughter and a bag for me. My bag that I normally take out is bad, so I need to get a new one. I'm at the store now. I'm about coming down from the car, so I decided to just do this quick video before I get down from the car. We are going in now, but I don't think I will be filming inside because if I'm buying the things, I don't think I will be able to be filming while buying the things. But when I get home, I will show you guys everything I got. So I'll be bringing it out one after the other and show you guys. So I got this shoe. This one is for Ellery. Why this one is for my son. And this one is for Eliana. This one is Adidas. This is Adidas. This is Adidas as well. Stop ever. This is a Raibo. So I got a bag for myself. Backpack for myself. So I got a flower vase. I got this flower vase and got this board as well. I want to use it in my daughter's room. I got this too, and that is all. So here is the vase I got earlier today. I want to be putting my fake plant in the vase, so I try to fill it up with some papers and all that. So I want to fill it up before I add the stone on top of the paper. I want to fill it down, and I don't want it to be that heavy when I want to carry it, so that is why I'm tearing paper inside first. So if the paper gets to the half like this, then I will just fill it up with stones and stones and stones, before I will just go and keep it where I want to keep it. And this vase is so beautiful. Everything, it looked like real. The plant look real, but it's fake. It's fake plant, but it just somehow look like real. So I'm adding the stone inside. So when someone will come now, we think it's a real plant. They don't know that it's a fake plant. So here I'm trying to arrange it. Some of them are falling off. I'm trying to just shocking it inside. That kind of thing now. So I want to put it on the place I want it. It's that place I want it in that spot there. So I just put it at the spot. I will arrange it, shoot back, watch it again if it's okay, if it's good to go, So there's a hole there. I would just want to use it to cover that place and make it more beautiful. After here now, I'm going to be doing some unbusting again. I ordered some clothes on Shein for my son, so I'm going to be opening it so we can see what is inside. So I don't know the quality of the clothes, so I'll be opening it now so we can check out the quality of the clothes together. So this one. And it's fine, the cloth is fine. So here is the trouser. Here is another one. This is the shirt, very fine. I like it. Very fine shirt. And this one is the trouser. But this trouser is long. This one is long. It's really long. I took 3 to 4 years, and it's just, my son is about to be 2 years. Next month, April, will be 2 years. So I took 2 years to 3 years. And the shirt is okay. The shirt is okay, but the trouser is big. The trouser is big, but you will wear it like that. So this one is jean trouser. Woo! The jean trouser is nice, but it's too big. The jean trouser is too big. I took 2 to 3 years, but the quality is nice. The quality of the trouser is nice. The quality is nice, but it's too big. Too big. So this is another one. Ooh. This one is fine. The material is nice. Wow. The material is really nice. And this is the jacket. Very nice material. It's very, very nice. I guess this one with sizing. And which size? Which size is this one? Okay, 2 to 3 years as well. Another one. Wow, it's beautiful. The material is very nice, but it's too long. It's too long because it's almost 2. And the shirt is nice. 2 to 3 years as well. 2 to 3 years. Beautiful shirt. And here is the jacket. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Let me not go and miss the shop. Okay. And this one. Look at this one. It's beautiful. Almost the color, similar color. Similar. I don't know that the color are similar. When I already paid before I found out that they are the same color, but never mind. Ah, look now. Very beautiful. Look at the heart. Beautiful, right? It's beautiful, right? And another one. I'm just smiling because they are all nice. This is another one. The trouser is long as well. Here is the sleeve. There's no tag. Here is the jacket. And it's beautiful. And another one. This is the trouser. This one, the material of this one is light. The material is light. And here is the sleeve. Beautiful sleeve. 2 to 3 years as well. It's beautiful. And I ordered for hats for my guests, my daughters. I ordered for 2 hats, and it's nice. The hat is nice. 2 of this one. Two. I wanted to, before I ordered these things from Shein, I wanted to order it on Sarah. I don't know if you know Sarah. There's an app called Sarah. They sell good clothes there as well. But I ordered it on Sarah. But unfortunately, I asked my sister and she told me that she ordered things on Sarah and they didn't come. I asked one of my friends and she told me that she ordered things from Sarah and it did not come. So I have to ask for the refund for my money. When I asked for the refund, it took like 5 days. Then my money come back to me. Then I used it to buy on Shein because I know Shein. So I said, let me go and buy on Shein. My friend told me that buy on Shein. You know Shein. So anything, you know that she will bring the things. So you just better order it on Shein. So I decided to just buy it on Shein. So this is what is it called? Shower cap for my daughters. It's 2 of this one. And I was thinking that this one is a sleeping hat. I never knew it's a shower cap as well. When I saw it at first, I was thinking it's a sleeping hat. But later on, when I checked it again, then I already ordered it. Then I found out that it's a shower cap. But it's beautiful. So these are all the things I got or I bought. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share it, like and share, share, like and share my video, and give it a thumbs up. Like and share my video and give it a thumbs up. And see you guys on my next one. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. And see you guys on my next one. Sharp. Bye.